Hey guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. Today's video is actually going to be a Dollar Tree haul. Yay! I want to bring you guys one a week. I told you that. So today's Dollar Tree haul is not as lit as last week's. Sorry, but a lot of good items. A lot of good items. I'm just looking at all the items. A lot of name brand snacks. No, snacks are not the best thing in the world, but a lot of name brand snacks I was able to find. And it was for a fraction of the cost, so that always makes it a great buy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. First thing I found were these Intimins, yeah, little bites. These are the seasonal favorites. Can I talk? Seasonal favorites. This is the sugar cookie muffins. I got these for Justin for school. So it's 160 calories per pouch, and there's 5 pouches in here. These normally go for like $3 something, and they're good to, it says December 19th. So I need to hurry up and make him eat these before they go bad. But you know, things usually can go a little bit past the date. So I figured if he eats these between this week and next week, he'll be golden. I found some donuts. These are the Tasty Cake Frosted Mini Donuts. Normally these are like $2 something. Oh, it says $2.99 on here, and it says enjoy by 12/27. So this just gives a snack in the pantry. They're not going to last long. And I got the powdered mini donuts as well. And it says enjoy donuts all day long is what it says on the back of it. And they normally run $2.99. I got the cinnamon rolls. You can see it's already open. One has been eaten out of the cinnamon rolls. They have 220 calories though, which isn't that great. But only 4.5 grams of fat. Goes great with breakfast. And they just look just like that, and they're Tasty Cake cinnamon rolls. So yeah, that's the name brand snacks that I was able to find. Actually, I found one more that's going to be a Christmas, goes with a Christmas gift, and it's the Godiva mini chocolates. I think 2 pieces of chocolate come in here, or 2 or 3 pieces of chocolate come in the Godiva, and it says it's good till August 2019. So I got these for one of my gift baskets, but Godiva for $1? Who would say no? Come on. And these are caramels or caramel, however you want to say it. And I'm looking at it like it's a snack, boy, but I ain't even going to touch it. But that's what it looks like. I did get some mermaid items. This is for my purse. It says, let's be mermaids, just to put some pins in. Because I always lose my pins when they're in my purse and they're all over the place. So I figured if they're in this case, it'll be a safe place for them. And the case just opens just like that. And I just thought it was really cute. And the colors are so me. And I got the watermelon hand cream, and it's in the shape of a mermaid as well. I know the lighting is doing it no justice because it's also white, but hey, I don't even know where this is. I didn't see any more of them. This was the only hand cream that I saw, and I opened it to make sure it wasn't open, but I don't know where they are, if they even have any more, and they're just in the shape of a mermaid. I did pick up some pins, y'all. They got a 12-pack pan just in this nice little carrier like this, because I keep running low on pins. I don't know what's going on. So I just figured, hey, I'll get 12 for $1. Some of them go missing. They go missing, but at least I have backup. So I made sure to have that. One great find that I finally found that everybody was talking about, I want to say months ago, the Bahama & Co. The Waikiki Wild Hibiscus for the car, the fresheners. Finally found them, and I picked up 3. When I tell you they smell so good, I'm about to put one in the car as soon as I go get Justin. They smell so good. The smell is everything. The design is really, really cute. So I know I already have one of those scent pods in there, but the scentables to me don't give off a lot of scent. What do you guys think? I don't know. I don't think the scent pods give off enough scent. Like, if you use the scent pods, let me know. I just don't think the ones from Bath & Body Works give off that much scent, and something like this, when it's just blowing, these will give off great scent. I got the Cinnamon Spice Fragrance Diffuser. This was actually in like the last minute gifts ideal area, but this ain't no last minute gift for nobody. I'm about to actually open this and use it, so we might as well open it together. And I'm sorry if you see some spots all over me. I think it's coming from the window because I got the window open. And of course the sun is doing its thing, and it's always interrupting the video, but whatever. So you have the dipsticks, and then the product. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Try to see if it's glass. Yeah, it's glass too. Let me be careful. Let's go open it from the bottom. I hate opening packages and messing them up, but we're gonna just mess it up one time. Cause yeah, it's stuck to the bottom. Y'all look at that. It is stuck to the bottom. Okay. We'll have to fix that up later. Have to fix you up later. But I just want to see what it smells like. Oh, this smells so good. And the cinnamon spice. Keep it away from children, so keep it up top. I'm going to put it up on the mantle because this looks like something they could drink, and that could be very dangerous. I got another pen. I thought this pen was so cute. Y'all know I love purple. If you didn't see my beauty room tour, definitely check it out. Y'all know I'm into purple. I love purple. So when I seen this purple little flower pen, I was like, ooh, I need this. This is so girly. So I picked it up, and I don't even know what color it writes. I don't care. It's just a really cute pen. Oh, you just want to just put it in your hair, you know, and just have it in your hair. I don't even know, like, some type of way in my hair. It's just so pretty. It's a pretty little flower up there. I just really adore it. They try to get like Bath and Body Works, y'all. They got the Calm lavender and cedar wood with natural essential oils. Look at the packaging. They try to be Bath and Body Works up at the Dollar Tree, y'all. When I tell you what, but I just had to get it. And it says here, our impression of Bath and Body Works sleep aromatherapy. It's their version of it, y'all. So I just had to get it. I was like, oh, y'all trying to be Bath and Body. That's how my mom call it. She don't call it Bath and Body Works. She call it Bath and Body. I'll just be like, she's like, you done went to that Bath and Body. I'm like, Mom, I did not go to Bath and Body Works. So I was happy to see this little set. I'm about to actually spray it now to see if it smells like the lavender and cedarwood. Hopefully it does. Please, please do. Please, please do. Oh, it's a roll-on. It does. Oh my gosh. It smells really good. And it smells like it'd be really nice on a man. Oh God, it smells so good. Smellgasm. For sure. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it. Oh my goodness. Oh, now I wish I would have got more. See, when sometimes the Dollar Tree, their imitation stuff can hit it out the park. Their Bath and Body Works lavender and cedarwood, it hit it out the park. I am a huge fan of it. I like it. Up two more things from the Babe Bliss Pro. Another curl prep because I really did like the curl prep. So I picked up another one so I have a backup. Actually, I picked up two. That's how much I really like the curl prep. It just has that top, the spray top. I really like the curl prep, so I bought two more of them. And I did enjoy the thermal shine spray, so got another backup of that. Now I'm all set with this line. Got the coconut and oat flower spa therapy shave cream. I haven't seen it in a while. It like disappeared for a minute. Now it's back. I'm starting to see it a little bit more. So now I'm starting to get one at a time until I get my collection back up because I've run through all of my shave gels from the Dollar Tree. This is for me. This keychain is so cute. Again, the purple, that little pinkish purple going, and I just had to have it. It's really, really cute, and I just thought it would be cute as a keychain. For the kids' snacks, just some good zip sealed sandwich bags. They last us a while. It comes with 45, and they just last. I thought this was super cute. Look at it. You can put candy in it. You can put anything you want in it. It's really cute. It's not real though. It's plastic, but it's pretty. It's really, really pretty. Look at the detailing in the top. I seen it and I was just like, ooh, I must have. And I did. I had to have it, so I picked it up. So if you see these are really cute. And you can use this year round. I don't even know what I'm gonna use it for. What should go in this? Let me know in the comments below. And this is the last item. I was checking out. I was about to leave. And then this lady came behind me and she had this item. I said, where did you find that? I paid for my stuff, hopped back in the long line again just to get this, y'all. It's a cup. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. And it's the one with the red truck. Oh my God, everybody talks about the red truck stuff, the red truck stuff. I never could find the red truck stuff. Haha, I finally found a red truck item. So I got me a cup and it was only like 2 left. So I'm gonna be sipping on my stuff in my little cup with my little red truck. Cause everybody has it, now I got a little red truck. So that's it, guys. That's everything I got this round at the Dollar Tree. What item did you like the most? I know it wasn't as lit as the last one, but this had a lot of variety to it. I just love Dollar Tree hauls. Y'all know I just love saving some money, especially on them snacks. Because Dollar Tree, they coming up in the snack section. They really are coming up in that section. So if you haven't been to your Dollar Tree, get in there. They're trying to become a mini supermarket. And I'm for it. I am for it. I am for it, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe. And I got questions about back there. Those pillows, those 4 pillows, are from Walmart. Just so you guys know. Those 4 pillows, Walmart. The little Santa pillow is from Dollar Tree. So, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Love you. Bye.